So Fiat 500 has a rattling in the back, so we thought it was the back parcel shelf. So when you drove over bumps and things along the road, it kept rattling in the back. So we thought it was seats. That wasn't it. So checked the seats, set the parcel shelf, and looked online to focus groups and stuff, forum groups and stuff. But I just found out what it actually is, and I'll show you. I need to get under the car. There's the back axle. If you look at that spring there, it's got a white thing in there, but on this one it hasn't. And we've got, oops, let me hold this. We've got this thing here, and it's come loose. So when it dries, it rattles. It's really near the car. You think, oh, why is that noise? But it's actually this thing. So basically, that's what the problem is. So I'd say it's a garage or get it replaced. It's got like a hole in the top. There's a screw or something missing. That hasn't got anything in it there, so it could be a screw. But when you look at the inside of it, there's no hole. So something's gone there, so it probably needs to go to the garage. I'm just going to try and put a bit of glue on it and see what happens for the next trip, see if it does rattle and roll. Because it's been a bit of a pain. We've had to take the parcel shelf out and try and strengthen that up, thinking it was that, but it's not. So let's give this a go, and I'll get back to you and see where we are and how it's fixed.